So in this lecture, we will know how to create the bisecting lines. So to draw the bisecting lines, first we will need some reference lines. So for this I go to line tool, I draw a line like this, and then once again I draw an intersecting line. So these two lines are intersecting with respect to each other. And then I go to line option, and then I click on this bisecting lines. So select this option, and now we need to select the first line. So I select this first line and then select the second line. And now we can see we have a third line that is at the bisector. So bisector means equal sector. It means the angle between this line and also these two lines is equal. So this line is a bisecting line with respect to angle. In the similar way, we can also draw the line that is bisector with respect to the length. So once again I go to line, I draw a line like this, and then once again I draw another line. So from this first point, so when I drag the mouse, we can now see the symbol of parallel. So it means these two lines are parallel with respect to each other, and I click OK. And then I go to line option, I select this bisecting line. So now we need to select the two lines. So this is the first line and this is the second line. And now we can see we have a third line that is at the equal distance. So this line is created at the equal midpoint. So that is why it is called bisecting line. So next type of line in this we have is the bitangent line. So to draw the bitangent line, we need some circles. So I pen in, I draw this first circle, and then I draw another circle. Now I want to draw a line that is tangent to both the circles. For this we have option that is called bitangent line. So we need to select the first circle, I click here and then select the second circle. Now we can see this line is tangent to both the circles. Similarly, we can also draw tangent in another direction. So I select this first line and select the second line on the bottom side. And now we can see we have two tangent. Next type of line we can see is a line normal to curve. So normal means 90 degree. So this option will create a line that is at the angle of 90 degree. So I select this option, and now in the status window it is showing click to select a curve or a point. So we need to select on the curve. Suppose I click here onto this line, and now we can insert the length of this line, or we can specify this by coordinates. So I click here, and now we can see these two lines are tangent with respect to each other. Similarly, we can also draw this line on a curve. So I select this option once again. This time I will select a point on circle. So click somewhere on the circle and then define the length of this line. I click here, and now we can see the angle is 90 degrees. So when I zoom in, we can have a better preview of this. So we can see with respect to this green line, this white line is normal. So it means the angle is 90 degree. So in this way we can draw different types of lines.